Drekavac in Serbia is mostly thought of bird demons that are associated with vampires, who are best known as nekrštenici. But because of the supposed howl and noise these demons make, people in some areas got them confused over time and associated them with Drekavac or Bukovac, creatures that make noise. Noise is Buka or Dreka. While in Srem, there was a well-known belief in a being similar to vampire, which they called Bukovac, and some people imagined it as a monster with 6 legs and knobby horns. And according to tradition, it lives in lakes or large ponds. It comes out at night with a noise, and that's where it got its name Bukovac. And it jumps on people and animals and drowns them. And Sremski Bukovac is very similar to Bosnian Drekavac. Most of the mythological creatures of the Slavic people have these characteristics that people fear, but their names change from place to place. But the Bukovac or Drekavac may have had received its origins from an amphibian that has a very well-known legend of all European nations, namely the salamander, and the belief that if a salamander is chased or stepped on, it can squeal loudly and a person can become deaf. And there are various magical and popular beliefs about salamander, that it can put out or survive fire, but also that its appearance can predict a storm. I hope you like this video. Goodbye and see you in the next one.